Hello everyone, welcome to part 63 of Laravel 11 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the product filter, and in this part we are going to work on the sizes filter that we are going to do via Ajax. In the last part we have seen that we are able to do the color filter, okay, that is working dynamically now, and if we will select any color, then it will just show the color or just show the products of that color, okay, and via Ajax. Okay, so now in this part we are going to work on the sizes filter. So here you can see right now we are just showing the static sizes, but we are going to make it dynamic. And also I think the product sizes, I think we have not added. Maybe we are required to add from the admin panel, so I will open the admin and we'll check that whether the products are having any sizes or not. So we'll go to the products module in admin panel, and here first I'm going to check for the blue t-shirt, that blue t-shirt is having any sizes. See, blue t-shirt does not have any size, so we are going to add a few of the sizes for the blue t-shirt. I will keep the price for small, I'm going to give the price like 10. Stock is 10, okay, and I will add the another medium size with SKU, and its price I will keep as 1600, and stock I will keep as 20. I'm going to save this one, click on submit, and we'll check once again that whether the attributes have been added. Yes, the attributes have been added. I'm going to check for the other product as well. I'm going to see that if there are any sizes for the red t-shirt. Red t-shirt also does not have any size, so I'm going to add one size for the red t-shirt, okay. So I'm going to add the small size for the red t-shirt. I'm going to check its price as well, that must be matching, small size must be matching, okay. So I will add the one size for the red t-shirt, okay. So now I'm going to you see there are instructions under the video description that you can follow. So first thing is that we are going to create the getSizes function in our product filter, okay. I'm going to close all earlier files and will open once again so that it will be clear to you. So I will open the product filter that we have created in the last part. So we are going to create another function like getSizes, like in the last part that we have created that getColors function. Now we are going to create getSizes function, in which once again we will return the category IDs. Because of that categories IDs, we are going to select the sizes. First we are going to select the product IDs, and then we are going to check for the sizes, like those products having which sizes, so that we can dynamically show the product sizes at the filters, okay. So next we are going to update the sizes filter at the filters file, filters blade file. Here the sizes are static right now. We are going to make it dynamic, and we'll show the sizes in for each loop for the products that are already opened, okay. So I'm going to open the filters blade file, and here I will simply override that sizes div. I'm going to open that div. After category we have the size div. I'm going to replace the div with this one, in which we have added the for each loop. We have called that getSizes function from the product filter, and then we have shown these sizes in the for each loop dynamically. Let's see if sizes are shown. Like we have added the small, medium sizes, so only two sizes must be there. Yes, small as well as the medium, because we have added only two sizes so far. We have not added large, so now we are showing sizes just dynamically for the products that are already open, okay. So let's see in the next part, that sorry next step. In next step we are going to add the condition here in the listing function, where we are going to add the sizes filter as well. Like we have added the colors filters condition, now we are going to add the sizes filter condition as well in the in our products query in the listing function. So I'm going to open the product controller at the front, so this one. So I'm going to add the query here, like we have added the colors filter query. Now I have added the sizes filter query as well. First we are going to check whether the sizes are coming. If the sizes are coming, then we are going to add those sizes in our query, so that we can only select the products that have those particular sizes. Okay, and like if there are more than one size, then we are going to explode that with the tilde. So here also you can see at the top that if we will select the multiple sizes here, so I'm going to select the sizes as well. I'm going to check that whether this functionality is working or not. Okay, so I'm going to check first of all small, and here you can see the small has come up. Now I'm going to check the medium as well, and now you can see the medium is added here as well along with the tilde sign. So tilde just making for separating one side with the other, and the same thing we have used in the last part as well. Okay, I have not explained, but now I am explaining you that in the last part as well we have used that tilde symbol for just separating the colors. Okay, like I will remove and will show you once again. Like if I am going to use that tilde sign once again, here I will go down and will check the this one. Like if I will check this one, then you can see color is blue right now, and if I will use the red as well, I'm going to check for the red, and now you can see both the colors have been added here, and with the that is separating with the tilde sign. Okay, blue as well as the red. So here we are fetching both the colors from the URL and both the sizes as well. Okay, like now we are working on the sizes, so both the sizes as well. Like if we have selected both the sizes, now here you can see both the sizes have come up here as well. So both the sizes we are getting here and exploding these, and we are using these in query so that we can fetch the products of those sizes. Okay, so now it's working fine. You can see once again I'm going to show you. Yeah, I think it's there is some error. Let's first, okay, I'm going to just select the first of all medium size. Okay, so I know that one of the product does not have the medium size. Let's check in the admin panel. See, this product is having the medium size. I'm going to check for the other product now. This product does not have the medium size. Red product does not have the medium size, so the red product must not come there. Okay, so here I'm going to check that why it is not working. I'm going to look out for the error if there is any error. I'm going to check there, like if I have simply copied that script properly. I think I have sizes filter is here. Okay, so I'm going to check here as well. So there is a slight change I have done with the sizes filter query. Actually, joins are not working with the MongoDB, so because of that I have done some updates in query. First I have find the product IDs, okay, from the products attribute model. Okay, we are going to compare the sizes. Here we are fetching the sizes, whatever sizes that are coming at the tops that are coming in the URL. Okay, like if we are selecting any sizes, then it will come here. After getting those sizes, we will just get the product IDs from those sizes. Okay, so those product IDs we are going to check in our query, like with the varied condition we are going to check. We are just going to fetch those product IDs. Okay, so so this is the query that we have done. And also one more change I have done at updating here the attributes, where we are just saving the attributes. Here you can see the in the add edit product function. Here I have find one issue, and here I have updated. I will tell you, like in add product attributes, here I have earlier it was ID. Okay, now I have made it like product underscore ID, because we are already getting this one here, like the get product ID. Here if the ID is empty, if for the case of add product, we are fetching the ID after saving the product ID, we are getting it. And in the case of edit, we are directly getting the ID of the product. Okay, so that's why here you can make this change at your end. Okay, so after this, just update the query like this. Okay, like I have explained you earlier, that we will check in the products attributes. Like I'm going to open the MongoDB, and here I have just added one small site. Here I'm going to show you, like in admin panel, like if you will go to the red t-shirt, only one site I have added so far. See, blue t-shirt does not have any site, so here it is just showing the one site that is small because I have just added one site. So once I will check this size, here you can see the only one product is coming, red product is coming, because the small size belong to the red shirt. Blue does not have any size, so it is not shown. Okay, so now I'm going to add the another size for the red, and I'm going to add the medium size for the red. Okay, so here I like the I'm going to add here medium size. I'm going to add medium, and price I will add 1100, and stock I will add 20. Okay, and I'm going to submit this one, and we'll check here red t-shirt once again. Now there are two sizes. Now here must be there two sizes. Let's see. Yes, now there are two sizes, but here we have already added this small, so it must be checked. That we are going to do in few minutes. Okay, but first of all, we will complete testing this one. Okay, now two sizes are coming, that's fine, and I'm going to add one more product at blue t-shirt. Okay, still the blue t-shirt does not have any site. Okay, now I'm going to add one small site for blue t-shirt, so that once I will select the small, the blue t-shirt will come up here as well. Okay, and let's add the blue t-shirt as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to edit and will add one blue t-shirt as well, and here I will pick this code once again. SKU I will make it this one, small, price I can see 1500 price. Okay, and here stock, any stock I can add. Okay, so we have done this one. Now there are two products of small sizes, so that's why the two products are coming here. So if in case I will select here the medium, then the blue is gone away, because red is having the two sizes that are small as well as the medium. Now if I will select both, now it is coming, now both are coming, because small size belongs to both. But if I will remove the small, then medium, just red is having the medium side, so that's why blue is gone away. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you. Now we are going to highlight this one. Even if we will refresh this page, we are going to highlight this. Okay, so that thing, for that thing we will watch it once again. And here if you will go down, here you can see we need to add this one in the condition, here in the filters.blade file. After this one, after loop, here we are going to add this. Okay, so now this one $site checked, we are going to add here as well. Fine, now I'm going to refresh here and we'll see. Yes, now it checked. Okay, even if you will refresh here, it will work fine. And now I'm going to check both. Now the both products are coming, and now even if you will refresh, it will work fine. Now I will use the color filter as well along with it, and I just want the blue t-shirt. I'm going to check the blue, and here you can see now small medium size of blue t-shirt is only visible. Okay, so now both the filters are working fine together, so you can do this one at your end. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.